Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be learning the second lesson, Dusra Sabak. See what we have for today. We are trying to make words from the letters from Urdu alphabet. So the first one that you see is a cat. Cat is called Billi, and we'll see the breakup of the word. This is right in the middle. This word is Billi. So a cat is called in Urdu Billi. A leaf is called a patta. Leaf is called a patta. Starts with pe. Then we have a lock. A lock is called tala. Tala. And lastly, we have a fruit basket. So the fruit is called samar. With the say, samar. So let's now look at how these words are put together. As you can see, the first one was billi, cat. It has four letters. Be, lam, lam, ye. When you put them together, you get billi. Billi is cat. The second one was a leaf, which is patta in Urdu. So, pe, te, te, alif is patta, a leaf. The third one is tala, which is a lock. So, te, alif, lam, alif is tala. Tala is a lock. And lastly, fruit is thamar, which is fe, neem, re. Thamar is fruit. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Khuda Hafiz.